Was it really worth watching, guys? Okay. Okay, here we go. Hello everyone, this is Emily. क्या हाल है? So guys, आज मैं एक ट्रेलर रिएक्शन करने जा रही हूँ on the movie KGF Chapter 2. Okay. I really don't know about this, so थोड़ा बहुत जान लेते हैं इसके बारे में. Okay, from Google, let's see what Google has to say. KGF Chapter 2 is an upcoming Indian Kannada language action drama film directed by Prashant Neel, which is a sequel to the 2018 film KGF Chapter 1 and stars Yash, Sanjay Dutt, Srinidhi Shetty, Ravina Tandon, and Prakash Raj. Okay. So guys, KGF Chapter 2 जो है is a sequel of KGF Chapter 1 which was released on 2018, but I haven't watched KGF Chapter 1, so I really have no knowledge about this whatsoever. So I want to get some knowledge क्योंकि मुझे KGF के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं पता. Did I just say that? Pata. So that's why I wanted to gain some knowledge about this instantly and wanted to make you also like acknowledge about KGF. If you have already known, then please do let me know about how KGF Chapter 1 was. So I'll be super excited for your comments. So comment down below. Okay, so the cover looks super interesting, guys, and it's been released 2 days ago already. So I am like 2 दिन पीछे हम चल रहे हैं. So ज़्यादा मेरे वेस्ट करके let's watch. Watching on my phone, and here we go. So let's watch.
History tells us that powerful people come from powerful places. History was wrong. Powerful people make places powerful.
Okay. Was it really worth watching, guys? Obviously, it was super intense, I will say, and it was, oh my god, थोड़ा बहुत पसीना पसीना आ गया honestly, and I literally enjoyed the intensity of this whole trailer, and I really loved how, I would say, कितना मतलब it was really, you know, indulging, and it was like मतलब आपका जो पूरा सेंस है is going to, like, you know, it's going to make you stay there, and it's not going to, like, you are not going to get distracted very easily while you're watching the trailer of KGF chapter 2. So I literally enjoyed watching it, and I'm looking forward, will the promise be really kept or not? So अंत में जो कहा गया, the promise will be kept, and let's see, will it be kept or not? That we can only see when it comes to the cinemas or theaters near us. I just wanted to say कि जिसका टीज़र इतना ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग हो और इतना ज़्यादा इंडल्जिंग हो, I'm just looking forward how the movie is going to come up, because I'm super excited for this, and I literally enjoyed watching Naveen Kumar Godwa, aka Yash. His stage name is Yash, and I literally enjoyed watching him. Like, he was like, his eyes was were really like, it was saying something, it was trying to say something, and it was like a little bit threatening, and it was like a little bit scary as well at the same time. So मुझे वो बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग लगा. Like, it's his birthday and something interesting needs to come up, so I'm super like, my interest level got higher after watching him basically. So after watching Naveen ji, so honestly saying, so I'm super excited. So it was really amazing to watch the other cast as Srinidhi T, Ravina Tandon or Sanjay Dutt. They were super like, it's really interesting to watch all of them, and it will be very interesting to watch कि वो लोग सब कैसा रोल प्ले करते हैं in the movie. So I'm really looking forward to this, and are you? Comment down below. So it's like 10 out of 10 for me, and I'm super excited for the movie. So are you? Comment down below. So yeah, so that's what I felt, guys. It's like 10 out of 10 for me, thumbs up. So yeah, and although I'm like 2 days late for this, I really didn't know, and when I saw the trailer for like the first time, I was like, I got to give a reaction on this, and I honestly enjoyed watching the trailer, honestly. So this is the second time I'm watching it, and it just has the same interest that's there. So like, the interest level is still there. मतलब जो एक चीज़ होता है ना गाइज, मतलब अगर आप देखते हो, you just keep on watching it, and it's really keeps you going up there, and keeps you make you think कि what's next, what's the next thing that's going to happen. Like, there's a suspense that's been created, so वही मुझे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. So that's what I really like, and yeah, so that's what this trailer has, like this teaser has given so far. So I'm super excited for this, and yeah, so I'm looking forward to KGF chapter 2. So let's see what happens, and yeah, that's what I felt about this whole teaser, guys. If you like this video, please do give a thumbs up, please do subscribe to my channel. I really need your support. And how do I look? Okay, and also share this video if you agree with me, and like this video, comment, share. What else? Subscribe to my channel, guys. I really need your support. Please subscribe kar dena. It really would mean a lot to me, because I am really working hard for you guys, only you guys. And if you want me to make any review or any reaction videos, please do comment down below. It will mean a lot to me. Or if you want me to make any changes, do comment down below about that too, because everything that you say, it will mean a lot to me, and it will help me grow and change whatever imperfections I have. So to my TFG family, thank you for being there by my side every time, and as I always say, please do stay safe, guys. And yeah, this is Minruta, that fat girl. Bye, have a great day always.